Hi, everyone. So my name is Tomer. I'm heading the business development for eToroX. eToroX is a Gibraltar incorporated and licensed entity, subsidiary of the eToro Group. It's basically eToro Group's blockchain division. We developed and operate the eToro wallet, which is a cryptocurrency wallet. We also operate the recently launched cryptocurrency exchange, and we have eToroX Labs, which are our R&D center in Copenhagen, and we also have our R&D and operation centers in Tel Aviv and Gibraltar as well. And by the way, who here owns Bitcoin? Ever bought or sold Bitcoin? Just for me to understand who is in the crowd. Okay, not too many. Well, so as we all know, blockchain, if you don't know, blockchain is a cryptographically secured public ledger. Okay, you can read about it in the white paper of Satoshi Nakamoto, bitcoin.org. And more than that, blockchain is a new language, and that language has a pretty simple message. Blockchain means financial freedom. So blockchain offers a new paradigm for the financial assets ecosystem. Now, we don't know if it's going to replace the banks. We obviously know it won't, and we don't know if it will be faster or more secure or even simpler than the current financial ecosystem. But we do know that even today it has a huge impact on the financial world. Even today, if you can enter CoinMarketCap, the website, and look at the trading volumes of cryptocurrencies, more and more people are moving wealth into the blockchain and feel secure by holding value and transferring value between people on the blockchain. So blockchain has a lot of advantages. The most known one are the ownership and the independence. When you hold the Bitcoin on your private key, you actually own the money, unlike in a bank account. It offers 24/7 global trading. It's not related to any country. Blockchain doesn't have a CEO, and it's not incorporated anywhere. So it allows higher liquidity and better peer-to-peer transactions. Even with all the advantages of blockchain, we still need to handle or to manage a big challenge, and the challenge is how exactly do we bridge the gap between the traditional financial world and the blockchain world? Because as you may know, even with all the hype, let's say, of cryptocurrencies, it's still a fraction of the global financial ecosystem, and this is a big challenge. So we think that the best solution, or let's say the key for a thriving blockchain ecosystem, lies within technology. And this is why we explored the process of tokenization, which I will explain to you a bit about it. It's in 1 or 2 minutes. So what exactly is tokenization? So basically speaking, tokenization is the ability to represent the value of an underlying asset using a digital token that is issued on a specific blockchain, for example, the Ethereum blockchain. And then the token is tradable on that blockchain and represents the value of the underlying asset. Okay. If you can enter our exchange, even now if you've joined our exchange, you can see an example of tokens that we have issued on the platform and are tradable even today on the exchange. We have listed 10 fiat currencies and 2 commodities, gold and silver. As I said, our tokenized assets, the fiat currencies and the commodities, are based on the Ethereum blockchain. They're ERC20, highly secured. We got an audit by QuantStop. QuantStop is one of the biggest auditors for blockchain security, blockchain auditing firms. And other than that, we're planning in the future, of course, it's, let's say, pretty hard to do for now from a regulatory wise, But today, so we have gold metals, fiat currency, and cryptocurrencies, and in the future, we're also going to add property, art, and other kind of assets. Basically, let's take the example of art. If you a picture, Picasso, Mona Lisa, or whatever, has a certain value, you can, let's say, tokenize the pixels of that picture, and then trade just a token that represents the relative value of that picture. That's one example. If we're talking about real estate, so today there are lots of companies that try to tokenize real estate and then you can trade tokens that represent an income from commercial real estate. The advantages of trading tokenized assets, like I said before, are the same as the advantages of trading on the blockchain, meaning that you can have, if you enter to our exchange today, you have different fiat-to-fiat pairs, okay? And you can trade it 24/7 because it's on the blockchain, it's tokenized. You have much faster liquidity, and basically it's more fast and efficient than the classic trading. Other than the stable coins and the gold and silver tokenized asset that I said that we also have the regular cryptocurrency pairs. If it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, etc. And the website is available in 3 languages. We're going to add a lot more, and in dozens of countries. So a bit about us. So as I said, we're regulated, based in Gibraltar. We have a DLT license, which allows us to operate a blockchain exchange. We have R&D centers in Tel Aviv and Copenhagen, and we also have an office in Shanghai for marketing and business development. A bit about eToro Group, which is our mother company. So eToro's vision was always to open the financial markets for everyone to trade and invest in a simple and transparent way. eToro has come a long way from visualizing a trading platform to crypto trading, crypto portfolios, copy portfolios, etc. eToro Group has today more than 10 million users worldwide, serving them in 140 countries. And this is the strong back that we have as eToro X that enables us to impact on the blockchain ecosystem. What's next? So we're going to add more cryptocurrencies. We're going to add more tokenized assets. Hopefully, and depending on regulation status, we will add leverage trading, which is important for liquidity. We're developing our own multi-blockchain support for other blockchains that exist other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And eventually, we will also offer what we call in the industry IEO, initial exchange offerings, meaning to list new tokens of startups in our exchange. That's it. You can follow us on social media. You can enter the website. You can sign in. You can log into the exchange and see how it works. I'm available for questions afterwards. I'm also very available on LinkedIn, so you can follow us and join us. We're looking for traders, liquidity providers, payment institutions. And that's it. Thank you very much. Yes, one question in the end. Can you hear me? Okay. He asked when we will launch the initial exchange offering. Sorry for that. And we're going to launch hopefully in 2020. I mean, in January 2020. It will take us a couple more months to do so. Any other questions? Yeah.
Have you also been thinking about distributing security tokens?
Yes, we are thinking about it. Security tokens, I think it's the next keynote. Security tokens is a question of regulation. It's a legal question mainly, and it depends on the specific regulation of a geography. So, in order to trade securities, for example, in the US, is not the same as trading in Europe or Japan or somewhere else. So yes, of course we're exploring it, and but it's first of all a question that our lawyers need to answer, and then we can offer it. Any other questions? Okay, thank you very much for your time.